Hey guys, it's Chris here, making more videos again today, guys. We're going to be installing exterior trim pieces for the Highlander. So without further ado, let's get to it. So this video is definitely a part 2 for this, okay? In the part 1, I actually showed you how to install all the trim pieces on the interior of the vehicle, you know, to make it silver like that, little subtle things like the door trim pieces and stuff like that. And now I have 3 trim pieces from the exact same company for the exterior of the vehicle. So if you haven't seen the first video, part 1, I'm gonna leave it in the description section of the video below. But this is definitely part 2, the exterior of the vehicle, guys. In the exterior of the vehicle, I have 3 different things that I purchased. We have this big, huge blade right here that goes in the back of the vehicle. We have these reflector light trim pieces right here, and last but not least, some side mirror trim pieces that go right here on the vehicle, guys. These should be simple enough. Obviously, guys, in the first video, if you've seen it, they're all plug and play. Basically, you take off this white part of the double-sided tape and you stick it on and you're good to go. So it should be fairly simple on installing it on this bad boy. So let's get to the first part, this mirror right here, and let's see how it looks. We're going to be doing 3 pieces, like I said, that mirror right there, and then 2 of them are actually in the back. One for this side blade right here. As you can see, it's complete black. It just looks kind of plain. And then last but not least, a little trim piece that goes right here. As you can see, guys, in the back, there's really not any chrome back here, so that will definitely elevate the look of the vehicle. At least I'm hoping for it. As you can see, there's a nice chrome piece that goes around there, and then especially on here, there's no chrome. It just looks black. Not the best. Now, obviously, you don't want to chrome out everything. You don't want to chrome that out and everything like that. You want to keep it subtle. You want to keep it OEM looking. You want to keep it stock. You see these parts and stuff that I installed, the silver trim pieces, it looks stock. The vents up there, they look stock. That's what I want to do. First thing first, we have this side piece right here that we're going to install, the little chrome, silver, whatever you want to call it, trim piece right here. Oh man, look at that. Absolutely beautiful. It's like a mirror finish. It's gonna go right here, guys, and I hope this thing will fit. I hope this thing will look awesome. As you can see, if it does fit and it does stick on, it's gonna look absolutely amazing. From black to this nice subtle chrome piece. Awesome. Obviously, take off all the white backing right here on this double-sided tape. Let's take the last part off, and then we are essentially ready to go to stick this on. Make sure you be careful, because once it goes on, this stuff is really sticky and it will stay on. So I'll start off on one side right there and basically work my way all the way to the other side. There we have it. Man, do you see my face? Happy camper right there. It's already looking beautiful. I'm not even done. And just like that, we are done. Let's take a look. Let's actually back up some right here from the tripod. And look at that, guys. Just an extremely simple and subtle look. You know, you can't even tell. It just looks so OEM. And if you go to the other side now, I kid you not, yep, I knew it. It's gonna look like something is missing right there, as you can see. And that is what you want. When you're done installing, you don't want it to look like it's out of the ordinary. You want it to look very stock, very OEM, and just beautiful like that, guys. Absolutely beautiful. I'm loving this first part already. So far, 10 out of 10 on the exterior. Let's get the other ones rolling. So as you can see right here, this right here is the black piece. You can even see like how it kind of just looks empty right here. Okay, I just wanted to pause real fast and show you guys how awesome this looks. Oh my gosh, look at this. This is the after right here, and then the before on the other side, which looks so plain now. Look at that. Nothing there, and then nothing there. It just looks sad and plain. And if you go to the other side, you can see it just looks a little bit better. Obviously, you don't have to do both things, but it just makes it look a little bit better. Higher trim level, whatever it is, guys. Look at that. Absolutely beautiful. And let's take a look at the other side again. You can see, looks extremely plain. Nothing there, nothing there. And then can't wait to finish this. This is gonna be super easy and super cool. It matches with that, matches with the trim. Just upgrades the look of this area right here. Versus if I go to the other side, you can see how that just looks really plain, even from the top and bottom. It doesn't highlight these accents right here at all. Not bad. Let's continue putting the rest of the 3 and let's see how it looks. Alrighty Alrighty guys, the last part is done right here. Now let's take it on the sun real fast, and I want to show you how this bad boy looks. And the sun is just gonna gleam and shine, and that is what I'm looking for. Let's get to it. Alrighty guys, she is outside ready to go. As you can see, there's the first mod right there. Make it chrome, and then let's go to the back where we really want to see in the sun. Look at that, guys. I think it looks absolutely beautiful, guys. The color and everything just matches really well. And then on the other side as well, as you can see, it looks so good. Look at that. Alrighty guys, that's pretty much it for the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Links to purchase everything is going to be, of course, in the description section of the video below. The subtle touches on the vehicle, guys, makes a huge difference, and especially in the back. You guys already know it. Completely my favorite back here, guys. And you see this chrome right here? This chrome is just hiding until the sun just glares on it and gives it that extra oomph that this car required. But like I said, I will leave the links in the description section of the video. You guys already know it. And I'll leave the links to the previous video that I did of the interior of the vehicle, guys. All the trims in the interior. Awesome video as well. But if you like this video, make sure you smack that like button. Other than that, guys, can just here saying thanks for watching and peace.